RobotFX delivers curated Forex news to keep you informed on key market events. In December 2025, Canada's manufacturing sector displayed modest signs of improvement as evidenced by the latest S&P Global Manufacturing PMI data, which rose slightly from the previous month's reading. The Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index PMI for December registered at 48.6, a small increase from November's 48.4. Bringing cautious optimism to industry observers. The PMI, which gauges the manufacturing sector's health through indicators such as new orders, inventory levels, production, supply deliveries, and the employment environment, have been on a downward trend, marking a contraction in the manufacturing sector with readings below 50. However, the recent increase, albeit marginal, suggests a potential stabilization or a slow rebound within the sector as Canadian manufacturers navigate ongoing challenges. Released on January 2, 2026, this updated data provides key insights into the economic conditions of Canada as the manufacturing industry remains a critical component of the nation's economic landscape. Analysts are watching closely to see whether this positive shift will gain momentum and contribute to a more robust economic outlook for the coming months. Grid trading done right. Try the robust grid expert advisor for controlled risks. Details here. The material has been provided by RobotFX.org. Thanks for reading. Enhance your strategy with proven RobotFX tools. Check them out.